In the heart of the Amazon, a world of secrets thrives beneath a canopy of green. This is the Earth's greatest lung, a sprawling emerald ocean of life that breathes for the entire planet. It is a realm where nature operates on a scale that defies human comprehension. A place of breathtaking beauty and profound, often intimidating, mystery. For centuries, this vast, untamed wilderness has guarded its most astonishing wonders, whispering tales of creatures that blur the line between reality and myth. These are stories born from the deep shadows of the forest floor and the murky depths of its winding rivers. Stories of beings that challenge our understanding of the natural world. But what if the most legendary of these tales, the one that has captivated and terrified us for generations, turned out to be true? Why do 90% of viewers gasp when they hear the words, "largest snake ever"? Perhaps it's a primal instinct, a deep-seated awe for the sheer power of the natural world, a genetic memory from a time when our ancestors were not the planet's dominant species, the anaconda. The very name conjures images of a colossal river titan, a silent, muscular predator that rules the dark waters of South America. It is the undisputed king of this domain, a heavyweight champion of the serpent world. Known to science as the green anaconda, is a master of its environment. It is an aquatic specialist, spending most of its life in the slow-moving rivers, swamps, and flooded grasslands of the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Here, its olive-green skin, marked with large black blotches, provides the perfect camouflage, allowing it to become one with the murky water, waiting patiently for its next meal. For generations, stories have been passed down of snakes so immense they could swallow a person whole, of giants stretching longer than a bus. These accounts from early explorers and local communities have often been dismissed as fishermen's tales, the stuff of jungle folklore and Hollywood exaggeration. Science, in its quest for verifiable data, has long held a more conservative view. While green anacondas are celebrated as the world's heaviest snakes, with some individuals tipping the scales at over 200 kilograms, their length has been a subject of intense debate. The scientific consensus has firmly placed their maximum length at around 20 feet, or just over 6 meters. Anything beyond that was relegated to the realm of fantasy. But deep within the remote, almost inaccessible heart of the Ecuadorian Amazon, a recent discovery is forcing us to reconsider everything we thought we knew. It suggests that perhaps, in the deepest parts of the jungle, the myths have a foundation in a truly monstrous reality. A team of scientists on a groundbreaking expedition into a territory rarely visited by outsiders has come face to face with a creature that shatters the record books. This isn't just another large snake. This is a contender for the largest anaconda ever officially documented. The initial reports sent shockwaves through the scientific community. A female anaconda reportedly measuring over 20 feet, perhaps closer to an astonishing 26 feet in length, and weighing an estimated 440 pounds, or nearly 200 kilograms. A true giant, with a head the size of a human's and a body as thick as a truck tire. To find such a specimen is the discovery of a lifetime, a biological anomaly that demands explanation. How could a snake grow to such a colossal size, defying the accepted biological limits for its species? And the circumstances of its discovery are just as remarkable. This monumental find wasn't made in isolation. It occurred during a National Geographic expedition, filming a new series with actor Will Smith. But the real key to this discovery wasn't the celebrity presence or the high-tech equipment. It was the partnership with the indigenous Waorani people who have coexisted with these giants for millennia. For the Waorani, these massive serpents, which they call water mothers, are not monsters to be feared, but sacred, spiritual beings deserving of respect. They are guardians of the river, integral to the health of the ecosystem. Guided by their ancestral knowledge, the team ventured into a remote, sacred part of the rainforest. a place the Waorani have protected for centuries. What they found there goes beyond a simple measurement. It hints at a secret that has been hiding in plain sight for 10 million years, a secret that could rewrite the evolutionary history of these incredible animals. The initial analysis of this behemoth revealed something even more profound than its size. Genetic testing showed a significant divergence from the known green anaconda populations found elsewhere in South America. The DNA evidence suggests a staggering 5.5% difference, indicating that this isn't just a large individual, but a member of an entirely new, distinct species that split from its cousins nearly 10 million years ago. This newly proposed species, named the northern green anaconda, or EAS, has been hiding in plain sight, its unique identity masked by its physical similarity to its southern relatives. The discovery fundamentally changes our understanding of biodiversity in the Amazon. If a creature this large and conspicuous can go undiscovered by science for so long, what other secrets does the rainforest hold? This finding also reignites a long-standing debate. Which snake is truly the world's largest? For years, the title has been split. The reticulated python of Southeast Asia holds the record for length, with some verified individuals exceeding 25 feet. But the green anaconda has always been the undisputed champion of weight, a far more massive and powerful animal pound for pound. The discovery of E, a species that appears to reach lengths rivaling the python while retaining the anaconda's characteristic bulk, could finally settle the argument. This is not just a new species, it's a new benchmark for what is possible in the serpentine world, a creature that embodies both extreme length and immense mass. However, this incredible scientific revelation arrives at a moment of crisis. The Amazon is under unprecedented threat. Deforestation for agriculture, pollution from oil extraction, and the impacts of climate change are devastating the very habitats these magnificent animals depend on. The territory of the Waorani, the sacred home of the northern green anaconda, is at the epicenter of this conflict. The discovery of makes the fight to protect this region more urgent than ever. This is not just about saving a single species, but about preserving an entire, intricately connected ecosystem that has allowed such giants to evolve and thrive for millions of years. This is more than a story about a big snake. It's a story of scientific revelation, a testament to the irreplaceable value of ancient indigenous knowledge, and a stark warning about the urgent need to protect one of the last truly wild places on Earth. The discovery of the northern green anaconda is a gift, a chance to see the world with new eyes, to appreciate the boundless wonders that still exist. But it is also a profound responsibility. Join us as we journey deep into the Amazon to uncover the full truth behind the legend of the giant anaconda, and reveal a discovery that is not only rewriting the story of this incredible species, but is also issuing a desperate call to action for the future of our planet.